citrus treats. Fruits, fruits, shapes we know. Fruits, fruits, watch them grow. Round or long, big or small. Fruity shapes, we love them all. Bananas, bananas, yellow and long. Bananas, bananas, make you strong. Pears, pears, shaped like a bell. Pears, pears, taste so well. Fruits, fruits, shapes we know. Fruits, fruits, watch them grow. Round or long, big or small. Fruity shapes, we love them all. Berries, berries, tiny and round. Berries, berries, found on the ground. Pineapples, pineapples, spiky and tall. Pineapples, pineapples, loved by all. Fruits, fruits, shapes we know. Fruits, fruits, watch them grow. Round or long, big or small. Fruity shapes, we love them all. Watermelons, watermelons, oval and green. Watermelons, watermelons, red inside seam. Grapes, grapes in a purple bunch. Grapes, grapes, grapes to munch. Apples, apples, oranges too. Bananas, pears, just for you. Berries, pineapples, watermelons, so sweet. Grapes, grapes make the song complete. Carrot, carrot, orange and tall. Carrot, carrot, crunch it all. Good for munching, good for stew. Carrot, carrot, we love you. Veggies, veggies, crunchy and bright. Veggies, veggies, healthy delight. Carrot, broccoli, spinach too. Veggies are so good for you. Broccoli, broccoli, green and round. Broccoli, broccoli, tree-like crown. Steam it, stir it, add some cheese. Broccoli, broccoli, yes please. Veggies, veggies, crunchy and bright. Veggies, veggies, healthy delight. Carrot, broccoli, spinach too. Veggies are so good for you. Spinach, spinach, leafy and green. Spinach, spinach, super and clean. In your salad or in your pie. Spinach, spinach, give it a try. Veggies, veggies, crunchy and bright. Veggies, veggies, healthy delight. Carrot, broccoli, spinach too. Veggies are so good for you. Potato, potato, brown and round. Potato, potato, underground. Mash it, bake it, make some fries. Potato, potato, what a surprise! Veggies, veggies, crunchy and bright. Veggies, veggies, healthy delight. Carrot, broccoli, spinach too. Veggies are so good for you. Veggies grow in the ground, in the soil, all around. Some are leafy, some are sweet. All are yummy and fun to eat. Tomato, tomato, juicy and red. Tomato, tomato on your bread. In your salad, soup or stew. Tomato, tomato, we love you. Veggies, veggies, crunchy and bright. Veggies, veggies, healthy delight. Carrot, broccoli, spinach too. Veggies are so good for you. Veggies, veggies, give them a try. Veggies, veggies, don't be shy. Carrot, broccoli, spinach too. Veggies are so good for you.
Welcome, welcome kids. Today's the day. We're off to the zoo. Hip hip hooray, put on your hats, grab your maps, and let's go. We're on a wild adventure to meet animals. Whoa! Here we are at the very first stop. It's the lion's den, his resting spot. Look at that mane, so fluffy and grand. The lion is the king of this big wild land. What sound does a lion make? Can you roar? Let's hear it. Oh, that's the score. And what color is his mane so bright? Yellow and golden, that's just right. We're walking, we're talking, exploring the zoo, meeting animals old and new. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. This zoo adventure can't be beat. Now over here, see the elephant stand with the long, long trunk and ears so grand. It's gray and mighty with tusks that gleam. Spray in water, it's a splashy dream. What's the color of the elephant's skin? Gray and wrinkly, that's a win. Can you wave your arm like a trunk in the air? Woo-hoo! You're doing it everywhere. Woo-hoo! We're walking, we're talking, exploring the zoo, meeting animals old and new. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. This zoo adventure can't be beat. Here's the flamingo, standing so tall, pink and pretty, balancing on one leg. Wow! It lives near water, eats shrimp for a snack. What a fancy bird, with feathers that pack. What color are flamingos? Do you know? Pink and peach, they put on a show. Can you stand on one leg like they do? Let's try it, look just like you. Let's play a game, let's shout their names. Lion, elephant, flamingo. You're so smart, you're zoo superstars. Let's visit some more before we leave the park. Now it's the monkey swinging on trees, chittering and chattering, so full of glee. They're brown and playful, climbing so high, with tails that curl as they touch the sky. Can you swing your arms like a monkey does? Woo, 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 yes, that's the buzz. What's their color? Can you recall? Brown and playful, swinging for all. We're walking, we're talking, exploring the zoo, meeting animals old and new. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. This zoo adventure can't be beat. Thanks for joining, what a wonderful day. We met lions, elephants, and flamingos on the way. The monkeys too brought lots of cheer. We'll see you next time, come back here. Bye-bye kids, let's wave goodbye to the animals and the bright blue sky. Till the next adventure, keep your smiles wide. The zoo's always here, it's a magical ride.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for ice, ice. J is for jump, jump. K is for kite, kite. L is for leaf, leaf. N is for moon, moon. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orange. Orange. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rain. Rain. S is for sun. Sun. T is for train. Train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for whale. Whale. X is for son afar. Son afar. Y is for yo-yo.